Find the stamped steel bearing housings and related products you need from Manitou Manufacturing Company, now available as 3D CAD downloads on the website. Let's take a look. From the homepage, go to Download 3D Model. Choose a product category, and then select the product type that best fits your application. From the SKU page, you can configure the product to your exact needs, or select from the product number category to find your preferred product. On the right, the 3D CAD Configurator shows an interactive product preview of the part you chose, which you can rotate, pan, and zoom within the window. When you're happy with the product, click Generate CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. You can also browse by category, or by typing in the name of the CAD system into the search bar. Next, click Start Generation, and your CAD model will be ready to download within seconds. The configurator also lets you generate a 3D PDF datasheet. These files include an interactive 3D viewer, product specs, and much more. This is great for those who need to access the product information but don't need a large CAD file. For more bearing assemblies and related products, go to ManitouMFG.com and visit Partsolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.